So last time we made this, and now we just have a bunch of scraps left over. Let's see if we can make a super cute crop top out of it. Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we make our clothes to be just as unique as us. I am super excited for part 2 of this men's dress shirt upcycle series. As a matter of fact, I just posted a whole compilation of men's dress shirt upcycle. So if these are something you like to do, definitely hit this eye above and I have more for you to watch. But last time I was telling you guys that I went to Chicago, a thrift store there, and they have 3 for $1 day. So like one of the colored tags is 3 for $1. Yes, 3 for $1, 33 cents. And so I was able to stock up on men's dress shirts. So I had these 2 yellow dress shirts. The colors were very, very similar. So I made this dress. And I absolutely love it, especially the way I styled it. And so, yeah, I have these scraps left over. When we cut the dress, we cut curves out of the bottom so that we can create the frills for the bottom of the dress. And that left the top of the shirt with this curve on the bottom. And I'm like, that would be super cute. Now, the way my body is set up, I don't want the cut going all the way up the side. That's just me. I know a lot of people are more comfortable in that. But yeah, I still got some baby rolls down there I don't like to show. So I thought to myself, let's see what we can do with the rest of those scraps. So let's do it. All right, is there anything that we can do to this one? So I found the other piece and I am just going to use these. So what I'm going to do is similar to what I did before. I'm going to add a gathering stitch and I'm just going to gather it and sew it to the edge of this. Then I'm going to hem the rest that doesn't have any gathering on it. And we're gonna see how cute that is. Hey, if you are enjoying this video and you wanna see more content like this, definitely hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. And share this video so everyone knows all the amazing stuff going on here. Whenever I'm gathering, I turn my tension dial all the way up to the highest number. This dial dictates how loose or tight you want your stitches to be. Then I'll also turn my stitch length dial all the way up as well. That way, when I begin to sew in my gathering stitch, sometimes my sewing machine will do some of the gathering for me. But it also keeps the stitch as loose as possible so that you can just take one of the threads and pull to get it to gather as much as you want. Typically, I would add a pin to the other side and wrap the threads around to make sure my thread doesn't pull out on the other side, but I'm cheating today. Once I have it gathered like I want and both sides are gathered to about the same length, I'll fold them in half to establish the midpoint and pin that point to the side seam to make sure I have the same amount of ruffle going to each side. Then I'll pin down the rest of the ruffle along the edge of the curve, good side to good side. Next, I'll go sew that down at the sewing machine. And I'll also serge the edges to keep it from fraying. Once the ruffle is attached, we'll flip it down and add a top stitch to make sure the seam stays up, which will allow the ruffle to stay down. And we'll just keep on sewing to hem the edge of the curve. And that's it. If you're interested in getting better at upcycling and wanting to learn more about it, or you just really need more help personally, definitely hit that join button down below to learn more about my members only group. We have a members only email where I can troubleshoot your upcycling problems as well as a monthly upcycle class. So definitely go down below, hit that join button to learn more. So yeah, that was way too easy. Let's see how it turned out. Oh my gosh, like for something that was left over and almost scraps, I could have just continued to cut it up and use it in other projects. But I love that I was able to make this amazingly cute crop top. I love the way it fits, how like big it is in the back, and just the fact that you can pair it with just something completely like sporty. You guys know that that's me completely. Wear it with something sporty or with a high-waist pencil skirt. Yes, that would look amazing, amazing. So you guys definitely do not overlook your scraps. Scraps can be some of the most amazing projects out there. So just remember, kind of put those scraps to the side or just go for it. Just start putting things together, like one of the subscribers says, just Frankenstein it and come up with some amazing things. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you didn't catch the last video, definitely click the link to see that, as well as you guys have been asking me about this top. Last week I showed it to you the other side because it's a reversible top. I posted on Instagram. You guys wanted the tutorial. This tutorial I posted over a year ago, so it is linked right here as well. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. I post new videos every Thursday and every Saturday at 9 a.m. and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!